Hey guys, it's Tarun and you are watching Tarun Techno. In this video, I will show you how to print the table of a number. For that, you have to take or create a variable naming n, then take the input as integer from the user, enter a number, then you have to create a for loop for I in range 1, 11 since table starts from 1 to 10. That's why I have taken the initial as 1 and the ending as 11, because in range the end term is always 1 less than the given. Okay, then you have to print formatted string double quotes, then ये n asterisk I equals to n star I. That's all. Then you will run it, enter a number 3. That's, as you can see that I have entered a number 3, then it will automatically print 3's table till 1 from 1 to 10. As you can see here, f is the used for, I have used f for the formatted string, that is, and the curly brackets, I have used curly brackets for creating a space for the variable so that I can do operations in it, and this is known as the formatted string, which helps reduce the number of strings, and we can print many output in the single sentence. So let's run it for more, for 5 and the 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, like this. So hope you liked the video, and टारगेट तो मैं नहीं रख रहा हूँ. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, share it among your friends who are just studying uh, before night exam, मतलब, who are studying the night before the exam. So share it among those, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.